Tiger Star's history, it all shows one thing, that he'll do anything for power. If he promised you a share of the forest, don't believe him. He won't give up one paw print, not to you or any cat.
Tiger Star told me what he was planning to do with the dogs when he visited me 2 moons ago. He did not tell me that his plan had failed.
None of that matters now. We have an agreement with you, Scourge. Fight beside me now, and you'll have all I offered you.
My clan and I fight when we choose. I will think about what you have said. There will be no battle today.
Traitor!
Your friend here thought he could control us. He was wrong.
Ты воитель. Представляю.